So hello everyone, this is Upendra and today we will discuss about introduction. So as we all know that, suppose you are facing any introduction in any job, either it is private or any government job or either any a school or institution. Yes. So are you ready? Yes, I am talking to you guys. Are you ready for that? So okay, let's start. So today we will discuss all about introduction. So as we all that, it is quite simple to introduce yourself in front of anyone. So in introduction, there is mainly we will have to mention in four segment. The first one is personal background that you will have to mention, and later on you will have to professional background. Suppose you are going to do any, you are going any job interview in the purpose of job interview, then you will have to highlight all that things in terms of professional background. But if you are doing any introduction in any institute or college, then only you will have to only your personal background. So let's start how I introduce and how you introduce in front of anyone. So let's start. Personal background, mainly you will have to mention two things in personal background. First one is name. First of all, you will have to mention name. For example, for instance, yes, this is Upendra. And after that, you will have to mention the second one. Yes, notice guys, what? Yes, what? It is second one and it is address. That you will have to mention. And in address, generally you can say that, yes, I am from Hazaribagh, I am from Ranchi, I am from, and I am, like that phrases you can use. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं और देखते हैं कि नेम को बहुत कोई जो most of the students starts their own introduction from this phrase, this word, but it's quite wrong guys. Suppose मैं अगर start करूँ myself उपेंद्र, ये गलत हो जाएगा क्योंकि as we all know that my is a reflexive pronoun and it is used as a objective, but here you are using like subjective, but it is wrong. So जैसे कि आप अपना name mention करते हैं तो आप इस सारे phrases को use कर सकते हैं, इस सभी starters को use कर सकते हैं, जैसे this is me, this is I, it means कि what? It's me Upendra, this is Upendra, my name is Upendra, and last one is I am Upendra. ये सारे टर्म्स को आप अपने नाम को इंट्रोड्यूस करने के टाइम यूज कर सकते हैं. And apart from that, you will have to mention your address, and during addressing your address, on that time you will use such type of starters. For example, हम बता रहे हैं अपना एड्रेस के बारे में कि यस मैं हजारीबाग से बिलोंग करता हूँ, मैं हजारीबाग का रेसिडेंट हूँ, like that. जैसे मैं हजारीबाग का रहने वाला हूँ, I am from, I belong to, I am localite of, फिर उसके बाद मेंशन करना है जगह का. Yes, I am localite of Hazaribagh. And in other segment, that is what? Professional background. What? Yes. ध्यान दे रहे हैं ना क्या? Professional background. You will have to mention career objective. That means what? Not career objective. Means your attention is not here. Just it is mentioned current status. That means what you are in right time. Suppose you are a student, then you will have to only mention yes, I am a student, and I am a student of one of the most reputed college, which is none other than which is another college. Yes. You will have to also mention your institution कि आप कहाँ से आप परस्यूइंग कर रहे हैं अपना स्टडी. Then after that, suppose आप किसी को जॉब सेक्टर में आप जॉब करते हैं तो आप लोग को mainly mention करना पड़ेगा. If you are job holder, then you will have to mention that things. Suppose you are businessman है तो आपको ये point highlight करना पड़ेगा. Yes, I am a businessman. Currently, I am a businessman. Suppose you are the student, then you will have to only mention yes, I am a student. And apart from that, other section is qualification. So as per our knowledge, you will have to only mention your qualification. Yes, suppose I am a student and I have completed my intermediate from InterScience College. इस प्रकार से अगर आपको मेंशन करना है क्वालिफिकेशन तो इसमें जनरली दो सेक्शन में कैटेगराइज किया गया है क्वालिफिकेशन को। सपोज आपका मेन स्ट्रीम है कि आप ग्रेजुएशन कर रहे हो, देन यू विल हैव टू ओनली मेंशन यस आई एम डूइंग ग्रेजुएशन फ्रॉम दैट कॉलेज, दिस कॉलेज, यस समथिंग लाइक दैट यू विल हैव टू मेंशन। फॉर एग्जांपल, yes you are doing graduation from another college, then you will have to mention your institute. For example, you are doing graduation from another college, you are doing graduation from St. Clements College, and also you can also mention all that institution, colleges or schools from where you are doing your yes degree course. So you will have to mention in two segment. First main stream, after one additional skill. Additional skill means besides your main stream. Suppose आप ग्रेजुएशन कर रहे हैं, राइट, ग्रेजुएशन कर रहे हैं और बावजूद इसके सपोज ग्रेजुएशन कर रहे हैं और साइड से आप कुछ और कोर्स कर रहे हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल एडीसीए प्लस, कोई कंप्यूटर कोर्स, कोई डिप्लोमा कोर्स, यस। एंड ये भी हो सकता है कि आप आजकल के डेट में इंग्लिश जो हुआ है काफी कंपलसरी हो गया। इट इज नेसेसरी लाइक एयर। जितना हम लोग को सांस लेने के लिए हवा का जरूरत है, इंग्लिश आज उतना ही जरूरत बन गया है। सो ये हमें हमारे जो होता है सेल्फ एक स्किल्स को डेवलपमेंट, सेल्फ पर्सनालिटी को डेवलपमेंट करने के लिए ये काफी ज्यादा नीड हो गया। तो आप क्वालिफिकेशन स्किल में आप मेंशन कर सकते हैं अपना एडिशनल स्किल्स, यस। एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल हैव टू स्विच ऑन योर another section means what? Means your interest of zone. What is this? It is interest of zone. So in interest of zone mainly you will have to highlight two things, which one is likes and another one is dislike. Suppose आपका interest zone है बुक पढ़ना, बच्चों को पढ़ाना, टीचिंग करना, गाना सुनना and all काफी सारी चीज होते हैं, तो आपको मेंशन करना है। सपोज यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन टीचिंग, सपोज आई कैन से दैट यस आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन टीचिंग, सो आई लाइक टीचिंग द स्टूडेंट, यस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ। बट इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट योर सेल्फ यू विल मेंशन accordingly. Suppose you are doing any you are running institution, then maybe you will have to mention that yes I am interested to teach the graduation level of the student. And after that, suppose if you dislike, suppose there are many people, there are many students, there are many teachers, there are many people in India, many of those are someone who likes anything and someone who dislikes anything. For example, if I can say myself that yes what is your dislike, then yes I have to mention all that thing. Yes I dislike the arrogance type of person, I dislike those person who passes their time just useless. So and apart from that I will have to mention another and last section is that career objective. बहुत ऐसे होते हैं स्टूडेंट, नॉट बहुत ऐसे स्टूडेंट, ऐसे नहीं, हम लोग सभी होते हैं, सबका एक एम होता है, गोल होता है। सपोज आप करियर ऑब्जेक्टिव में आपका करियर बनाना चाहते हैं टीचिंग फील्ड में, अपना करियर बनाना चाहता है प्रोफेसर में, बिजनेसमैन में या फिर कोई गवर्नमेंट जॉब में, देन यू विल हैव टू हाईलाइट दिस थिंग्स, यस लॉन्ग टर्म गोल एंड शॉर्ट टर्म गोल, both are you will have to mention in your introduction. So now let's paraphrase guys. It is your introduction section, and if you are going in any introduction in any interview, then you will have to highlight this thing. Suppose you are going in any institute, on that time you will have to mention only this portion, and onwards you will have to mention. If you are going in any job interview, then you will have to mention these things. This thing means what? Professional background, career status. Suppose you are what you are, either you are a student, either you are job holder, either you are businessman or business women. Suppose यहाँ गर्ल्स भी तो हो सकती है ना, महिलाएं भी हो सकती हैं, then you will have to mention accordingly यार. And after that you will have to also qualification. Qualification means what? आपका qualification क्या है? आप सपोज आप ग्रेजुएशन कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ पे ग्रेजुएशन मेंशन करना होगा। सपोज आप मैट्रिकुलेशन कहाँ से किए वो वहाँ मेंशन करना पड़ेगा। एडिशनल स्किल मीन्स आपका जो मेन स्ट्रीम है, मेन आपका जो कोर्स चल रहा है, उसके बावजूद अगर आप कुछ कोई स्किल के लिए या कुछ एक्स्ट्रा कोर्स कर रहे हैं तो उसको एडिशनल स्किल में मेंशन किया जाता है। दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेंशनड यू, यस। एंड आफ्टर दैट लाइक एंड डिसलाइक, and last one is career objective. And lastly guys, I would like to introduce in front of you in this pattern. So let's see carefully me guys. Yes, I am talking to you. You will have to mention, you will have to focus in this pattern, and lastly you will have to concentrate. Yes, you will have to concentrate on your video. Yes, what I am going to teach, what I am going to introduce in front of you in this pattern. So now I am going to paraphrase once more and at last. So yes, suppose now I am going to introduce myself in this pattern. Yes, are you listening? In this pattern. Okay, yes, I am talking to you. So you will have to mention, you will have to focus, you will have to pay attention, yes, to me. So suppose now I am going to introduce. So hello, yeah, very good afternoon to all of you. A very good afternoon all in all present here. So this is Upendra, and now I am going to introduce in front of you. Now I am been here to introduce. So it's me Upendra Patel, and I am from Hazaribagh, yeah, big city of Jharkhand, which is none other than Hazaribagh. So yes, and another segment. Yes, currently I am a student, and being a student, I am a student of a very reputed college, which is none other than a very reputed college, which is none other than the Hazaribagh, which is another college. Yes, another college. And later on, my qualification. So my qualification is that I have completed my matriculation in 2015 in CH school. CH school means Creative High School. And later on, yes, if I talk about my intermediate, so I have completed my intermediate from Inter-Science College. Onwards, if I talk about my interest of zone, so I like interest. What? I like teaching the students. I like teach novel, and I like to read novel. Along with, I dislike those people who are arrogant in nature and who try to, yes, what? Who try to waste their time accordingly. And last one is career objective. So yes, I would like to see myself as a professor. I would like to see myself as a teacher, not professor. Yes, in long-term goal, I would like to see myself as a professor. But if I talk about my short-term goal, so I would like to see myself as a teacher. So these all are about my introduction. So you will have to attention. तो क्या आप लोग चाहते हैं कि आप इंट्रोडक्शन इंग्लिश में दें? क्या आप लोग चाहते हैं कि आप लोग इंग्लिश क्विकली सीखें? यस, देन आप लोगों को फॉलो करना होगा। यस गाइस, फॉलो करना होगा। क्या पता है ना? जीआर क्लासेस। यस, जीआर क्लासेस। यस, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए। और अगर आप चाहते हैं इस चैनल से जुड़े रहने और चाहते हैं कि आप इसी तरह हम वीडियो लाते रहें जो आपको हेल्पफुल हो स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश के लिए, देन these all things are you will have to notify. Okay, thanks guys.